Abaqus Tutorial Lesson 106. A part has misses and the other part hasn't misses. How to do it in Abaqus result. The video is very relaxed. Okay, let's go. For example, one part, two part, this part, no misses. This part have. How to do it? Open ODB file directly. Okay. The two part both has misses. Part 1, part 2. Okay. But I don't want this part has misses. How to do it? Part 1, save section as, rename, for example, P1. Okay. Another part, P2. Okay. Click this display group manager. P1 add. Okay, add. Click this. Okay. We can change the color. Okay, and oh no. Okay. 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 It's different. Next. P2 add lock P1. Okay. It says you compress. Okay. Did you got me? One. It says another no misses, because some students want this operation. How to do it? Okay, I hope you're happy. See you tomorrow. My Chinese WeChat AD time. If you have any questions about Abaqus, you'd better record a video. I think a record a video is very directly, exactly manner. Let me know what your model question is. Okay. See you later.